Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robi Masaga. Today I want to discuss about culture again. Yesterday I was on my previous video. I was talking about how Africans and some black people, all black people came from Africa. So I was talking about how Africans and black people are slowly running away from their culture. And I don't want you people to think that I'm contradicting myself, because today I want to talk about how I feel like we are clinging, or rather we are dwelling on some cultures that I feel like it's a thing of the past and we need to do away with. Like, I was watching this video and this lady was saying how women shouldn't be forced to be kneeling for men. If you want to do it out of your own will, it's okay. But forcing women to do it is a totally different thing, which I agree with her. Yeah, I saw so many people on the comment section calling her out, saying how she's not a wife, a marriage material. Some of them were asking whether she's married or not. They were against whatever that she was saying, but I do agree with her completely.
The things I refuse to do in the village, right? And so they say I'm a troublemaker. But I'm like, no, that's nonsense. If men do not kneel, I'm not going to kneel, right? I will kneel if everybody kneels. Don't tell me women have to kneel. That's nonsense, that kind of thing, right? And change can happen. I find sometimes I engage with men, reasonable men, and those exist. So I'm constantly trying to sort of talk to men who have power, to say to them, you need to realize that women are full human beings, And so things like the kola nut in Igbo land, where only men can bless the kola nut, and the kola nut is so central to Igbo culture. And once in my hometown, I said, no, this is wrong. So the old man there, after I had made an impassioned case, he said, all right, we cannot have a woman bless the kola nut, but because she's made this case, we will show the woman the kola nut. So usually they break it and they show only the men. But in this case, they showed the women in that small gathering. And I remember thinking, a few more years and I will get this culture to
yeah. In Ugandan cultures, every time you greet someone, you have to kneel down.
Oh, okay. Anyone older than you?
No.
Or is it someone specific?
Yeah, but women do it in Nigerian culture as well, but it's more it's more like a curtsy.
A curtsy.
It's like a little,
no.
But you don't actually go, but it's like
this one, your knees, we call it my VV, they must touch the ground.
I said my VV. It's actually a V for real.
Yeah. They must touch the ground. Whereas boys, this one's debated, because I know online they're going to attack me. I had to kneel down to greet everyone until I was 18. Like, literally.
Oh, so you lot don't prostrate, you kneel down?
No, you kneel down, you go on your knees and you greet, yeah? And I had to do that till the morning of my 18th birthday. Wow. I'll never forget it. Going to college, come into the room to say to my auntie, good morning, without kneeling. She was ready to get sat and throw it at me. I'm like, no. I turned 18 today. You know what I mean?
Oh, so once you're 18, you don't have to do it?
But the people are going to dispute online. They're going to be like, boys are not meant to kneel. But in my family, boys have to kneel.
Yeah, to me, I feel like it's inferior. Like, I don't know, it makes you feel a bit emasculated. Like, because we do something different. If I have to kneel down to greet someone, I feel a bit...
I get why they do it, because for boys, again, the humility, it makes you know that there's someone above you. Do you get it? So watch your tone, like behave yourself. But in the same vein, why me at 17 am I kneeling down? Even if I see someone at Tesco's, an auntie, and I didn't kneel down, the wahala I get from my dad,
So even on the main road, you kneel down?
Yes.
You be in your fresh trackies?
In your fresh trackies.
I like this guy like sitting on the floor eating it.
You're so dumb. How do you connect that? This guy just...
He's so used to kneeling.
This guy's peed now, pause, and now he's got energy now.
Huh?
Yeah, he suffered,
What's wrong with eating on the floor? I like eating on the floor.
The way he sits down,
So some people were calling this lady out, and they were saying that in case war started, that lady should join men to go out there and fight like them, just because she doesn't want to be submissive. She doesn't want to kneel for men. So she should join, because she wants to act like a man. She should join men to go out there and fight. And let me just be frank. If war started today, we have men who can't even fit to go out there and fight, because today we have men who act feminine, who are more feminine than even women themselves. We have men who are not strong, both emotionally and physically. And these are the same men who want to be given that kind of treatment. You cannot be asking women to respect you, to give you that kind of treatment, if you are not even strong enough yourself. If you can't act like that man who really deserves that kind of treatment. I know some people won't like what I'm saying, but it's true. Women will always treat you according to how you present yourself. If you present yourself as a weak man, that is how they are going to treat you. They are not going to give you that kind of respect. A woman is going to kneel for that man that she feels like he deserves that treatment. And that's why I'm saying it's not bad to kneel for a man. It's not wrong. But don't force a woman to do it if she doesn't want. That woman will do it willingly if she wants, and if she feels that like this man deserves this kind of respect. You can't go out there disrespecting people, disrespecting women, and still expect them to give you the same treatment that they give men who know how to treat women out there. And majority of the men on that comment section who are calling out this lady, majority of them are the kind of men that I'm talking about. Men who are not strong enough. Men who only want women to, respect them in as much as they cannot reciprocate. Let's stop being hypocrites, guys, because if the late Queen Elizabeth said that it wasn't okay for a woman to kneel for a man, I know everyone will be out here saying, yeah, it's true. Women should be treated equal as men. Women shouldn't go out there kneeling for men. That is what you people would be saying just because those words came from Queen Elizabeth. But just because this is a Nigerian woman, this is a black woman saying those words, people are trying hard to fight what she was saying. You are not even trying to see sense in whatever that she was trying to say. It's true, kneeling is a sign of respect. Yeah, kneeling for someone is a sign of respect. We have women who are presidents. Yeah, like Tanzania, the president of Tanzania is a woman. We have women who would feel, who would be compelled to kneel for, that president because they feel like she deserves that kind of respect. So kneeling, I don't feel like it's necessarily meant for men. I feel like as long as you deserve it, anyone can kneel for you. So it's a sign of respect, yes. But don't force someone to do it. Let them do it willingly. There are things that men are forced to do which I also don't agree with, like a man opening a car door for a man. I don't feel like that is right at all. No matter what rank, no matter what position you hold in the society, I don't feel like it's okay for a man to open a car door for a man. That man, open that door for yourself. You won't die. Will you die? You will not die. Open it for yourself. Even if you are a president, open it for yourself. Some of these things, we do them out of lack of knowledge. I don't know what you guys feel, but that is me. That is just my opinion. That is how I feel. There are things we shouldn't be forcing people to do them. I saw a prince. I don't remember that prince was from which country, but this prince, he is a very young prince. So anytime elders, anytime men who are older than him, when they were greeting him, trying to kneel for him and kiss his hand, the guy would walk away. Yeah, he would walk away from that treatment because he feels like men who are older than him shouldn't be doing that to him. And this is a prince. He is a prince. He already knows it's not a must. You don't have to do it, especially if you're older than me. Tell me, between a woman who goes out there kneeling for the elders but lacks morals and respect and all that, and that woman who has principles, yeah, she knows how to carry herself, tell me, which one would you prefer? Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think this lady and myself, do you think we are right, or do you think we are wrong? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, and we'll meet on the next episode. Remember to subscribe, like, and share as well.